Hello and welcome to this session of Audit Assurance. Congratulations on reaching this far on your ACCA journey. Let's make sure this exam session is productive for you and that you're successful in your AA examination. This video will give you a brief introduction to the AA exam, its syllabus and how to prepare for it. This video will also inform you of the tools and resources at your disposal with Skans ECampus. The AA exam is second last in the applied skills level of your ACCA journey and perhaps unique in the sense that it is almost entirely discursive. The AA exam is set in a manner that students must display basic accounting knowledge that they gather in FA, previously known as F3 or FFA. Detailed knowledge of reporting is not required for this exam, and if you're comfortable with basic financial accounting, you should be able to understand concepts rather easily. The knowledge you gain in AA will be carried forward to a large extent in AAA, which is Advanced Audit and Assurance, and will help in SBR as well. The AA exam is computer-based and 3 hours long. While AA is primarily discursive, students may expect some calculations like computing basic ratios in the exam. Your exam is divided into 2 sections. Section A contains 3 scenarios and students will have to answer 5 questions related to each scenario. This section carries a total of 30 marks and may test a range of areas from the syllabus guide. As students, you must all be familiar with the multiple task questions in this A section, like drag and drop or pull down menu questions that you have answered previously in your exams. The second section, section B, carries a total of 70 marks divided amongst 3 constructed response questions. These questions require detailed narrative style answers and will be more time consuming of the 2 sections. We will study exam techniques along with ways to budget time as we progress through the syllabus. The AA syllabus is vast and covers a range of topics. As we progress along the course, however, you will notice that the 3 questions in section B, which were constructed response questions of the AA exam, are largely based on syllabus areas B, C and D. Therefore, these areas have been recorded and practice questions have been included in your study room accordingly. Make sure that you study all areas thoroughly, but with syllabus areas B, C and D, you must ensure that you've practiced these areas extensively as well. Specific exam techniques have been added for these areas in the video recorded lectures. So, what should you do to maximize your chances of passing this exam? Read the entire syllabus and don't leave any topic out. There is no guarantee on how and which topics will be tested. Please don't leave topics out because you think they won't be tested. Practice past exam papers since they reflect what your exam will look like and will give you confidence in your ability to pass the exam. Without marked feedback, your practice might not yield maximum benefits. If you do not know where you need to improve, what is the point of practicing? Make sure whenever you can, get marked feedback. Budget your time and answer all questions. Completing your exam will maximize your chances of passing it. Use the resources available to you on the Skans ECampus platform. All books, practice material, and recorded lectures with practice questions have been made available to you. Use them wisely and on a timely manner to maximize your chances of passing. Since you have signed up for eCampus, let me point out how I can help you. Do go through the video recorded lectures and the practice sessions before you come to the live session. This way, if there is any confusion related to a certain topic, you can ask me live and I will be able to clarify it better. Practice question debriefs are the most important parts of the recorded sessions. Not only do they have super important exam techniques, they will also help you apply what we have learned to actual exam questions. Live sessions are meant to help you. Make sure you turn up in the live session and ask questions related to the video recorded lectures if you have any. These sessions are a chance for us to interact in a live session, and I believe confusions are always clarified better in live sessions. Perhaps the best part of this CSS session will be marked feedback on assignments. Use the assignments as a chance to practice application of exam techniques that you've learned. Marked feedback will make sure your answers are exactly what the examiner needs. Revision sessions along with mock debrief are perfectly timed to give you the much needed extra revision before the exam. Best of luck.